Everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E Prime. Dancehall powerhouse pair Baby Cham and Bounty Killer released their new masterpiece titled Time Bomb. To celebrate Madhouse Records' 30th anniversary, they decided to give the fans what they want in the form of a musical time bomb. The exciting 7-track EP includes dancehall veterans Dexter Daps and Dave Kelly, as well as an international collaboration Batman Ting with English actor and DJ Idris Elba. The single released at midnight saw Cham and Killer in a musical conversation as they went head-to-head to emphasize what dancehall truly is.
Touchdown pan the rock, circle the block, link up my mother, give her 2 stack, bless up my friend, them way have me head back. Man on up, no man a shop, our food them on the train come stop. People are cheer, we will be a killer club, we a win so we now get catching night trap.
In an E Prime exclusive, the artist spoke about the inspiration behind naming the EP.
So basically Time Bomb, the idea of Time Bomb, the cover of the EP kind of sums it up. It's like we went back in time and broke into the musical vault and took all those beautiful elements and pieces of reggae and dancehall music and bring it back to the new world in a package.
Time Bomb will certainly showcase their musical chemistry as fans will get to see the dancehall icons creating history once again. Lizzo takes Humanitarian Award at the Black Music Coalition Gala hours after being hit with another lawsuit. The Grammy-winning artist was awarded the Quincy Jones Humanitarian Award last night at the Beverly Hilton Hotel in California. She dubbed the award as God's timing in light of her ongoing lawsuits.
Black Music Action Coalition, y'all really are about that action. Thank you so much for this because I needed this right now. God's timing is on time.
Leading up to the gala, fashion designer Asha Daniels filed a lawsuit against the singer and members of her team, alleging that while Lizzo preached body positivity and inclusion, her employees were forced to work in a racist and sexualized environment. That's it for your weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Have a safe weekend.